Hi guys, Danny here from Coastal Caravans in Somerset in the northwest coast of Tasmania. The caravan capital of Tasmania, here at Coastal Caravans. The caravan of the week is our new Crusader Cross-Country Mad Max. Great name, the Mad Max. Actually registered to Crusader. Now this van is full off-grid, full off-road, and it's just packed with features. And I'm going to run you through them. It'll take a bit longer than normal. DO35 off-road coupling. Fairly easy if you had an American truck to upgrade that to 4 tonne. We've got 4 tonne rated chains. We've got a hot gal dip chassis. So this is all the stuff that everyone that does the off-road wants. 2 toolboxes here with armour plating at the front for stone protection. Gas bottles in this one. A slide on either side of this one, so we can have a barbecue there and a fridge here. A wood box, light bar. Great at night time if you need to do anything, particularly if you're on the side of the road and you've been towing and you need to do anything. It lights up everywhere here. Wander around here. This boot, it is huge. In this side, we have a beautiful slide out tray, makes getting things in and out of the van really easy. It's not only very wide, it's very high. We've got lithium galore, 600 amps of lithium. We've got 3 water tanks on this van. Those water tanks are 110 litres each, so 330 litres of water capacity, plus a grey water. That's the grey water there. That little vent there, we have, I'll show you inside when we get there, an OGO composting toilet. Now, 2 great things about composting toilets. One is you can stay off-grid longer because it takes a lot longer to fill than a cassette. 2 is it doesn't use water, so your water lasts so much longer off-grid. And of course, when you're camping off-grid, the first thing you normally run out of is water. Up this end, you'll see there's a carrier there for anything you might like from fishing rods, poles, whatever you'd like to carry. Outside shower. That's just the jacking point to lift the van up if you needed to change the tyres. It's a full composite construction. There is no timber in this frame. There is no timber in the floor. The floor is 40mm thick. The front wall is also 40mm thick. And that starts right here and goes right up, right over the roof, right down to here in one piece, giving it heaps of strength and very little opportunity for water ingress. These vans are pressure tested from the factory to ensure that when they leave the factory, they are waterproof. It is also dustproof. This is one of the few dustproof vans you can buy, and we'll get more into that as we get inside. We've got a terrific slide-out kitchen, 3 gas plates, chopping board, hot and cold water. Still room in the boot. Gas bayonet comes on just there. Terrific picnic table that hasn't got locks on it. I'm not sure why people put locks on picnic tables because I've never ever seen one stolen before. So much more convenient, you just click it in place, you don't have to lock it in. Not that I've ever had a glass of wine, but I think this is a really good thing. So yeah, sitting out under the awning, which on this one's electric by the way. Really fantastic. You can have glasses in there, you can have herbs and spices for cooking, you can use it for whatever you'd like to use it for. Now this van here has Cruisemaster's latest airbags on it, featuring auto levelling. Now most auto levelling is only to the tow hitch at the front. So when you're on the campsite, you've still got to adjust the airbags to get the level. This is true auto levelling. If you come through and have a look up here, I can level it to the horizon or I can level it to the tow hitch. In this case, I'll level it to the horizon. It says this function will adjust the suspension to the level of the vehicle. Press tick to proceed. So we tick. The pitch okay, it's ready to level. Okay. Warning, vehicle moving, stand clear, 2, 1, 0 seconds. And you can see the van's leveling. All by itself. Isn't that awesome? Isn't it easy? So it's level that way, it's level that way. Really awesome feature. I could then, if I wanted to, I could manually adjust it and I could go up on this side. Sorry, that's up on the other side. Up on this side, That noise there you'll hear is a compressor. That'll cut out shortly. And let's go inside and have a look. This is just an awesome caravan inside. It is styled by Crusader. These are beautiful caravans. Under here, we have induction cooktop. Everything in this van, apart from at the front where we've got gas for the barbecue and cooking, nothing else inside this van is gas. And because of that, we don't have to have vents in the van. So this is a true dustless van. It has a couple of vents. We put one in there for the range hood for the stove, so we can take any smells outside. There's one behind the fridge. So there are a couple of vents, but we've got a CaraFan up there that will pressurise the van. Because there's only 2 small vents and that pressure system, this is a dust-proof fan. Absolutely gorgeous van. So all the cooking is electric. The hot water service is diesel, and the heater has a diesel heater too. The fridge is huge. It's a compressor fridge, and it's just a huge fridge. I think it's as big as mine at home. And being a compressor fridge, maintains its temperature. And this has got so much solar. It's got over 1400 watts of solar. It's got 600 amps of lithium. This is a true off-grid caravan. Up the front here, under the bed, Victron electronics. I think Victron is the best 12 volt people in the world. Now that's a 3000 watt inverter there. So you could run the air conditioner off the 12 volt quite readily. Really simple to use electrics. You might notice we've got 2 windows up here on both sides. If you're free camping, and particularly females that have security issues sometimes when you're in the middle of nowhere, we can have this window locked. We can open this one to give us some airflow, and we'll just open that out there and lock that in and get a bit of airflow. That's fully secure, so really great system having the 2 windows at the front. This is something that Coastal Caravan supply. It's just a breadboard. It fits over the top of there, it just makes prepping so much easier, and that's not available anywhere except for Coastal Caravans. Beautiful table, it's super solid, it's super easy to extend, so unlike most that are trifold tables, it just folds out. Solid as a rock, great table. Obviously, you put it back into your room when you're not using it. The drawers, soft close drawers. Now to be frank with you, I don't really care about the soft close, but what I do like is when I lock that in with the soft close, they stay closed. They don't come open on bumpy roads. Really fantastic drawers. And here is a huge microwave. It is just the biggest one I've ever seen in my life. I certainly haven't got one that big at home. So with outside cooking, with the outside kitchen, you have a barbie outside, you've got lots of options for your cooking. The most beautiful ensuite. I wish I had a vanity this good at home. This is the composting toilet. Oh, by the way, Crusader are designed by people that know caravan. You'll notice there are 2 towel rolls. So many vans still today come with 1 towel roll. I don't know any reason why you only have 1. That's the composting toilet. So there's no water. The old-fashioned nature's head, every time you use a toilet, you just have to crank it to grind up everything. This one, you just hit the button, it's electronic. Because there's using no water, most people say that they can stay off-grid with this amount of water for 10 days or more. And normally, your cassette toilet wouldn't last 10 days either. This will. So it's great for off-grid. You can just stay off-grid a lot longer. And obviously when we look into the shower, it's a beautiful shower. It's beautiful black tapware. There's plenty of room in there. I can turn around. I've got a shelf there for my soap or shampoo or whatever I'm using. It's a premium caravan. It's true off-grid. Right now there's huge savings to be had on. If you'd like this particular van, come in and see us and we'll do you an awesome deal on an awesome van. By the way, all Crusaders, 5-year structural warranty. And for 5 years we have covered chassis, floor, roof, walls, cabinetry. This is a fantastic van. By the way, everything else is 2 years. So 5 years structural for all the things I just said, and 2 years for everything else. Awesome caravan. Will do the deal of a lifetime. Come and see us at the caravan capital of Tasmania, Coastal Caravans in Somerset on the northwest coast.